historic step towards easing marijuana restrictions. The DEA today proposed reclassifying cannabis from a Schedule 1 to a Schedule 3 drug. KRON 4's Rob Nesbitt spoke with the CEO of the National Cannabis Industry Association. He joins us live here in studio with more on how this change will benefit dispensaries. Rob.
Noel, owners of cannabis stores will tell you how hard the industry is hit by high taxes. It's part of the reason why the 420 event in Golden Gate Park was canceled this year. Today's announcement from the federal government will help ease tax burdens. The cannabis industry celebrated a big win Tuesday when the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration announced its plan to move cannabis from Schedule 1 status to Schedule 3. CEO of the National Cannabis Industry Association, Aaron Smith, says for years marijuana has been viewed federally as having no medical value and a high potential for abuse.
It seems absurd, but since the 70s, cannabis has been a Schedule 1 substance alongside drugs like heroin and LSD.
President Biden called for the review back in 2022. Reclassifying does not legalize cannabis federally, but it would allow pharmaceutical companies to get involved with selling drugs in states where it is legal. It will also remove a tax code called 280E on legal cannabis businesses.
Marijuana businesses are unable to deduct things like their rent, their payroll, their marketing expenses, their compliance costs, the cost of the security cameras in their facilities.
Spark owns 6 dispensaries in the Bay Area, and CEO Eric Pearson says 280E has limited investors from taking cannabis seriously. He hopes becoming a Schedule 3 drug will change that.
When that gets eliminated, it frees up capital. It makes investors more interested in investing in cannabis companies, and investment capital comes in, which helps the industry, which is otherwise struggling from other taxes.
The proposal must still be reviewed by the White House Office of Management and Budget before it can join the same classification as Tylenol. The National Cannabis Industry Association wants Congress to go even further by removing cannabis from the Controlled Substances Act.
But it doesn't address issues such as lack of access to banking services, the mass incarceration around marijuana, and a myriad of issues that are resultant of the conflict between state and federal law.
I asked Smith when he thinks the reclassification could go into effect if passed by the White House. He predicts changes before the November election. Reporting in studio, I'm Rob Nesbitt, KRON 4 News.